They said it was impossible, that man would never fly, that the stars were forever out of our reach. They called electricity a parlor trick, and computers science fiction. It took those with vision to imagine something new. They dared to think differently, and in the process, they changed the world. But it all started with a shift. Just like those trailblazers, we believe in innovation. Where others see obstacles, we see opportunity. Where some see problems, we see creative solutions. G3G is a global company with a proven track record of empowering organizations with expert advice and support. SAP S/4HANA is the next stage in your organization's evolution and the go-to solution for the digital economy. A perfectly integrated platform to manage all your business's functions seamlessly in real time. Our tried and tested SAP qualified packaged solution reduces risk and offers immediate return on investment with a simplified 5-step implementation process, beginning with a free pre-flight assessment to help you visualize how S/4HANA Cloud can make your business more innovative, more agile, and accelerate your digital transformation. Book your free pre-flight assessment today and shift to SAP S/4HANA with G3G, your trusted partner in SAP solutions. We see business differently. Isn't it time you did too?
A lot of customers are talking about S/4HANA now. It's very much the direction that SAP is pushing. But in this overflow of information age, it's very difficult to know where to start. And as EPU's Labs, I think we have a very compelling offering. We can advise customers and we can offer them a mechanism to try out S/4HANA on a sandbox, for example. And using our IP, we can convert their existing data into S/4HANA format. It's not just a one-step process, and I think that part is quite daunting for customers. What does this journey to S/4HANA actually mean? So there's a lot of preparatory steps that one has to take, and we can help with all those steps. We have an example in South Africa of a customer who's embarked on the S/4HANA journey. And we've walked a long path with him, right from the initial cut over and then some of the early migrations. I think what differentiates EPU's Labs is the fact that we can bring IP to the table. We are not just throwing additional consultants onto the project. We are actually automating some of those challenges. There are a lot of unknowns with S/4HANA, and not everybody wants to be first, but those who are willing to take the first step in a safe way with some technology and some IP behind it, I think it's a very good way to approach S/4HANA.
put forward knowledgeable consultants who went to some amount of effort to understand where we're coming from and also trying to understand really our need.
We get to chat to the developers where a lot of companies don't allow that. Do you actually feel part of building the solution with them?
It was never too big of a challenge for the team. You got technical resources all across the globe, which certainly provided the extra sets of hands that we needed in a very challenging time.
With APUs, we have reliability in what we do and that we are really happy with what we use and we are fast. It's really good to see a team running by itself. They know what to do and they're equipped. If you have a good team and good technology that supports you, that's a good mix. So it's also the feedback we get from the internal customer.
Everything that we do is centered on what we're building today for a client tomorrow. So our products and services then are always grounded in real world business problems that we need to be solving. We probably have seen your problem before, and if we haven't, we know we have the engineers and the consultants to be able to resolve and deliver a solution to you.
Way different than the other launches that I experienced so far. So what we have here at APUs is really unique, having the combination of the outdoors and the indoors and bringing this together. What I heard today, it is unique.
It's fantastic to be here at the first app house in Africa and wonderful meeting people from SAP and colleagues, and it's a fantastic day for APUs.
For Africa, it means so much, right? Because we now have a place where we can come and have a space where ideas can just be generated and fueled by all this beauty that surrounds us.
SAP App House is an exclusive network of partners in SAP themselves. They are working with clients to put design thinking at the core of every decision a client makes and then build technology to solve those problems. So to be selected from an extensive group of people who applied to be the first app house in Africa is a great privilege. And we feel it as an honor and a big obligation now to work with SAP and bring our clients into the space and then bring design thinking into everything that we do.
Whether you're moving to SuccessFactors or staying on premises, as an SAP HR payroll client, you'll have concerns about how your organization's time management will be handled. And you're not the only one. A recent survey cited time management as one of the top 4 concerns amongst SAP clients. We've heard your concerns, which is why we've developed Flow, a time management application that allows for a seamless continuation of your operational processes and time data distribution. For on-premises clients, this means an improved user experience for SAP time, leveraging Fiori technology, web enablement, and mobile capabilities. Those looking to rise to the cloud or various S/4HANA deployments will benefit by avoiding costly re-implementations and a completely new user experience. You will have access to Client Central, our interactive online community, where you'll be able to share best practices, experience, and knowledge, and interact with the support community. No matter which route your SAP roadmap takes, Flow offers a cost-effective and painless solution to your time management challenges. Get the most out of your SAP time investment and enjoy unmatched control of your data with Flow.